The honest truth why your content marketing sucks, but I'll show you how to fix it. When I started putting out content on social media, I sucked really bad and I made no money. I did gain experience by doing, but I made no money. I was deflated because I was just following without understanding why successful online entrepreneurs were doing what they were doing. I was doing the obvious, but did not understand the psychological parts that triggers human to take action. I was even going after the wrong audience, which was everyone with a heartbeat. And all I knew about content marketing was buy my stuff. It's good. It's great. Buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. So after doing all of that for a while, I was on YouTube. I was buying courses, trying to find out how to be effective, how to sell, how to make money, how to make my customers want what I have. But it wasn't until I actually decided to invest in a high ticket coach for mentorship, then I realized what the principles that high ticket coaches were already using to make tons of money online. In a moment, I'll reveal to you one secret content marketing strategy that can grow your reach exponentially. But first, let's get into how to make content that makes people get to know you, love you, and buy from you. Okay, so here are the top 7 reasons why your content sucks and is being bypassed by everyone. Number 1, it's just plain boring. Your energy on video, poor graphics. We are in the information age and we must stand out. You don't have to be great at graphics, but you may have to get someone to do it for you. You may also have to learn how to create videos or get someone to teach you how to do it correctly. Number 2 is bragging about yourself. It's a surefire way to get people to ignore you and to turn people off. Number 3, it's just too hard to understand the point or the concept of what you are trying to say. Make sure your content is between a 3rd to a 5th grade level so you can reach a wide range of your target audience. Clarity wins every time. Show up sure and confident, but you must be clear. Here is a learning experience for you. Comment down below and let me know, how do you feel when you're trying your best to listen to someone who is super boring? How does that make you feel? The learning experience, try not to be that person. Number 4, not speaking to your prospect's pain or their desire. This is how we build an emotional connection with our content. Number 5, not addressing their objections. A common objection is, I have to ask my wife or my husband. And depending on what you're selling or your content is about, you may have to say something along the line that, wouldn't your husband, your wife, your spouse want you to be happy? Wouldn't they esteem you greatly if you bought this product and do what it says and accomplish whatever you wanted? Comment down below, what are some of the common objections that people make when you're trying to sell to them? Number 6, no defined call to action or CTA. Every CTA should be based on that post or image or video or audio, that piece of content, that one piece of content that you put out. Let's say you are a dance instructor and you post on Instagram and you just created a video how to do a particular foot move. So instead of saying, follow me for more tips and likes and shares, do a clear call to action such as follow me to master this foot move. Number 7, you're not creating content fit for that platform. Repurposing is good, but we must create the content in a different way that will work best for that platform. I could turn this video into an infographic or info guide on Pinterest, or a carousel post on Instagram, or strip the text into a blog post and link back to this video on my blog. Hey there, serve first experts. Now, here's the secret I promised earlier. As I just mentioned about platforms, it is a great idea to have a presence on as many platforms as possible. However, when you're starting out, you may not have the time and the resource to rank successfully or be effective on all. Therefore, pick 1 to 2 platforms that your ideal clients are already on. Then learn that platform's ideal way of reaching not just your followers, but also other people on that platform. Now, after you've reached a desirable amount of people on that platform, then start to do the same on another and another and so forth. Now, watch this other video about the social media platforms to avoid. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button. It's free. I'm making more videos just like this one, so please subscribe if you would love to create content that serves your clients and make you money. And for my reward to you for sticking around to the end of this video, I'm giving you my free 10-part content marketing course. Find the link below or go to AuthorSell.com/content marketing course or scan the QR code on your screen.